I'll just skim read. We, the members of the Umkhonto Sizwe Party and the people of eThekwini, march today in firm resistance against the collapse of constitutional order, the erosion of public accountability, and the betrayal of South African citizens by the current administration, in cahoots with the police. Our grievances are as follows. Cyril Ramaphosa, because we refuse to acknowledge him as our president, has failed the people of South Africa. Under his leadership, poverty and unemployment continue to spiral. 63% of black youth are unemployed in South Africa. Almost 40% overall unemployed people in South Africa. The biggest unemployment rate is in KwaZulu-Natal. It's grown by 3% this year. Public services have deteriorated drastically. Namhlanje kusenamhlanje abantu belele esibhedlela phansi benganayo imbed. Corruption remains rampant and largely unpunished. Sibonile i-nutrition mafia. Simbonile umama uSimelane namathenda akhe nemali wayithola koThala Bank. Under your watch, police, under your watch, it is happening. The constitution is being undermined to protect political elites. Fairly, this constitution was not meant to protect South African citizens. It was enslaver further. You are proving that this constitution is irrelevant. It's only relevant when you want to strip us away from our land and take away our minerals. That is the constitution. The so-called president does no longer serve the public good, and we demand his immediate resignation to restore ethical accountability and people-centered governance. Unconstitutional leave of absence of Police Minister Senzo Mchunu. In South Africa, we're the only country in the world with 3 police ministers. One is absent on leave. He's getting paid. The other one is in between ministerial position as Mazu Kwetu Tushona Evumbuka. The third one is incoming. Under your watch, Thomas Sankara Oti, a soldier with no political education, is a potential criminal. We consider you as soldiers. It means that you are potential criminals because in front of you. We reject the unconstitutional and political expedient decision to place Police Minister Senzo Mchunu on special leave instead of formally relieving him of his duties. This action sidesteps executive accountability as prescribed by the Constitution, evades the necessary disciplinary and parliamentary processes, undermines the credibility of our justice and policing institutions. We demand clarity, transparency, and constitutional compliance in ministerial conduct. Minister Mchunu must be dismissed and held accountable, and not shielded through procedural manipulation. Siyabonga. Sithembeni namadoda. Ayisicela ukwenza Justin.
Thank you. Comrade, commanders, bayasibriefa labo mthetho. Bathi acknowledge i-memorandum nento efundiwe kwi-memorandum. So sizosala ke sidile nayo, kodwa istep esilandelayo njengamanje ekuthiwa kucela ngisimemezele ukuthi bonke labo bebegqoke ama-reflective jackets, ama-marshals, ngoba ahirishiwe akuwona Umkhonto Wesizwe. Siyacela ukuthi umuntu nomuntu
awethu siyabonga kakhulu baholi bami, sibonge ku Baba uGobzizwe, imember ye-National High Command ngokuba khona ngaphakathi, ama-members provincial detachment, abekhona ngaphakathi uDeputy Nobhala intombi emhlophe uVelems nobaba uKhathaza, ama-members onke e-regional detachment esibe nawo la, nawo wonke ama-progressive forces, Youth League, student movement, national security, do or die, nawo wonke ama-forces, ama-progressive forces. But ngifuna ukubonga wonke amazone. Ngiqale ngokubonga iSipho Mkhize zone, ngibonge iKhothomkhunya zone, ngibonge iPass 4 Phungula zone, ngibonge iPrince Cyril Zulu zone, ngibonge iGedlehlekisa zone, ngibonge iVictoria Mxenge zone, ngibonge iSimiso Nkwanyana zone, ngibonge iPrixley Isakaseme zone, ngibonge iDube Gandhi zone, ngibonge iKhenik Dlovu zone, ngibonge ngibonge iKwenza Malembe zone, ngibonge iAshigumede zone, ngibonge iMettus Meyiwa zone, ngibonge iNaido Makhaye zone, bese ngibonga iHenry Bona zone neMettus Meyiwa zone, Blessing Minela zone. Wonke lamazone asebenzile without resources. Sibonge wonke nje ama-forces ethu, ama-leaders, amazone, ama-leaders, ama-branch, ama-leaders, ama-VDs, nabomthetho ukuthi baze sithi masibacela babe khona la baphinde basiprotecte futhi. Umkhonto wesizwe uyohlala ngaso sonke isikhathi uyiphethe kahle. Noma next time ngangasigada ngoba siyabehave. But also sonke sama ground forces asambeni siye enkonzweni yokukhumbula iCommander lethu uCommand Fish esasinayi la program director kwiprogram yethu eyayizokhala futhi ngeenkinga. uComrade Fish kulowo mhlangano noma la sikhona wayikhuluma inkinga ezikhona, sisazoqhubeka futhi siyikhuluma. Uma kufanele sife abasibulala abantu, kodwa into esiyaziyo ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe phathi wabantu futhi umkhonto wesizwe phathi ngeke uzuphele. Siyabonga kakhulu. Mandla isonto nango esengikhumbuza uNobhala ukuthi isonto likaDube liku-Smith Street. Opposite uVW, unoVW lapho. Or before i-embassy building ilapho. Kodwa uma ukhuphuka ngoSmith Street uyongena